Let's begin with breaking news coming in from Uttar Pradesh. In huge relief for the Yogi government ahead of the elections, a clean chit has been given to the state in gangster Vikas Dubey encounter case from a judicial probe team that was headed by retired Supreme Court Judge B.S. Chauhan. The fake encounter theory has now been rejected by the judicial team. Recommendations given for crackdown on cops who were supporting gangster Vikas Dubey. Remember, several inputs suggested that Vikas Dubey was bribing cops and was getting help from them. This report also states that Dubey was under the protection of cops in his area. It goes into great detail of exactly how cops failed and how many of them were protecting Vikas Dubey, helping him with also inside information. Abhishek Mishra is joining us with more details on this. Abhishek, good morning. Huge relief for the Yogi government. There were a lot of questions about whether the Vikas Dubey encounter was a fake one. That's now been dismissed by the judicial probe team. Get us details of what the report states.
Well, absolutely, and it is a relief for the Yogi government, which was accused and was raised questions by the opposition about this particular encounter. A lot of politics happened, but today we are witnessing that a clean chit has been given to the state, mentioning that it wasn't a fake encounter. At the same time, it is also given clean chit to the police, which was said to be involved with the gangster. And we have seen earlier also when this whole encounter happened, there were a lot of speculations and a lot of leads over the fact that how Vikas Dubey and their partners were associated with the local police. They were getting the support from the local administration, be at the local the police officials or from the administration side. But this report has clearly mentioning the fact that there has not been any lapses as far as the action by the government is concerned. And report submitted by the committee, 3-member consisting of a retired judge, clearly giving a clean chit not only to the government but also to all these police officials who were accused of helping Vikas Dubey, which looks like that it's now a relief for the Yogi government.
All right, Abhishek, thank you for those details.